All right, gang. So here we are, your saltwater guide, Dave Hansen. Hey, I got my new company I want to introduce y'all to called Tek Offshore. We're a US-based company out of Montana. Every part of our products are made in the good old USA. You guys want to see this product, but first of all, in order to introduce the product, I'm going to show you how we've been fishing since the 1800s. Back when there was cane poles, and we always used a straight rod. Put all the pressure on your wrist and your forearm, pulling on this thing. The angle sucks. The rod's hitting you in the hand. You can pull up a little bit here, but you're really not getting any relief. I mean, look I'm putting a big bend in this rod, and I've only been doing it for a few seconds, and I'm already worn out because of the way that I'm holding this. It's just caveman fishing, gang. I'm putting a lot of torque. If you look up at the rod, we're putting a lot of torque on this rod. We're pulling on it pretty damn hard, but I'm telling you, it's taken all my effort. Now I bring the hand down here and I've got to try to guide the line. Look, I'm stretched to try to guide the line here. And you have to guide the line. Remember, charter boat captains, those of you that fish for a living, you've got to guide that line back and forth as you're winding. And you're trying to pull, but you can't put your thumb down to get a good grip because you got to hold it like this to try to guide the line. This is all, when we all look at it, this is total backwards type fishing. But you know what? We all thought there's got to be a better way, but we just didn't know what the better way was until along came Tek Offshore, and the engineers over at our company have designed the most unbelievable
PTO grip system.
Ever seen. You will not believe this. We're going to put this rod down now, and we're going to grab our new product. Watch. Wait till you see this, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to look like, get it as you look at this. Check it out here. It's just an add-on to an existing fishing pole. You do not have to buy a new fishing pole. You can use the poles that you've been using. You're just going to change your grip is all you're going to do. You're just going to change your grip is all you're doing. We have a totally different design of any kind of grip you've ever seen in your life, but this grip absolutely changes everything. As I put a little tension on here now. Power transfer fighting grip, gang. It's all the rage right now. This grip is absolutely insane the way that it works in conjunction with your fishing pole and your reel, but this is a brand new way to transfer the power and take the advantage away from the fish and put the advantage into you as an angler, or whoever the angler may be. Maybe you don't, maybe you're just the captain, you drive the boat. But this PTO fighting grip is going to revolutionize fishing, gang. It is absolutely, I promise you, once you touch this, every single professional captain that we've put this in their hand, they've got it. They understand, they feel it, they know. They can tell the transfer of power right away, and they know this is a home run. They know this thing is a home run. Here's how it looks on the rod itself, gang. This is a existing fishing pole, and we just added the grip to it. And what am I talking about? The grip goes where your hypalon is, or your cork, whichever way you like to have your rods dressed up. This is going to take the place of that. If you look, it comes, the ferrule right here is the same ferrule you're using on all your other rods. Then you can use whatever butt section you like to use, a straight butt, a bent butt. You can do this from the fighting chair. You can do it pretty much any way you normally fish, but this is what we're showing off here, is this PTO fighting grip. It's a transfer of power, gang. It absolutely going to change the way you fish. A couple of the unique features of this, gang, is the 22.5 degree angle here where you're going to hold it. Then it matches that 22.5 degree as it goes out to the fishing pole. And right here in the middle, this is, for us layman people, this is like a spring action. This is a shock absorbing system, gang, that will not wear out. The components are stainless steel. They will not wear out. The rest of this grip is 70-75 aircraft aluminum. Now look, I know you're looking at this one, it's gold. Then we're looking at this other one, it's black. Look, at if you want them purple with pink polka dots on it, and if you want it diamond encrusted, if you want them absolute black, purple, yellow, green, whatever color you want to match your pre-existing fishing poles on your boat, we can do it. We can make it all happen. But this is the PTO Power Transfer Grip. This is going to absolutely change fishing, and you will not believe how many boats you're going to see this on. And you're going to walk around and go, wow, why didn't we get one, honey? We should have got one. Dave's talking about them right here. We saw it first right here on YouTube, and we didn't act on it. Why didn't I move my hand up here? Total release. Look at how I can guide the line too. And we have this custom built, patented line guide right here. This is going to help you to guide the line. As you're guiding the line with your thumb, you're not wearing it out on anything that's going to cause any friction or any wear on the line. This is a nice smooth roller. The line's going to go right across it. You're not going to cause any friction on your line. As the fish pulls, look at how it just pulls the line right off that roller. The roller's actually going around. Then we'll take a wind on it, wind down on the fish, put a little more heat on them. I'm pulling back, but I got my hand up here now, so I'm getting all the leverage you can imagine. I'm gonna stand up, and now I have tons of leverage here with my hand being in this position instead of down here. I'm losing all the leverage because of the way that my hand is. But if I just simply move it up here, the leverage is insane. It just changes everything. I'm back on the reel, I'm guiding the line, but now I have a way better way to stand up, fight a fish. Way better than anybody's ever come up with. This is revolutionary, this is cutting edge. It's undeniable the relief you get by holding it this way. You will not believe it. Once you touch it, once you feel it, you will see what we're talking about. These are going to be available. We are just opening up the market. It's brand new. You can reach us.
Make sure you check out sales at ProTekOffshore.com, gang, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.